Hello friends, in this video we will get introduced to serial monitor. In our first videos of this course we had talked about serial monitor very briefly. We said that serial monitor could be accessed via tools or via this button here. What it does is it opens a new window, a new monitor, and through our program we can write on that monitor. It is mainly used to display the happenings inside the Arduino. So if I'm written a program and if I want to see if my program is behaving correctly or not, what I can do is I can display that information of the program onto the serial monitor. And this way I will be able to see if my program behaves correctly. We also use serial monitor for the calibration of sensors to read the values of the sensors. Arduino communicates with the serial monitor over pins 0 and 1. These pins are called serial pins. They are also used while we upload the program onto Arduino. They are also used to receive the commands through wireless modules such as a Bluetooth module. So serial pins 0, 1 are used for many purposes, and one of the purposes is to communicate between serial monitor and Arduino. And this communication happens in a specific language and we do not know how to program in that language. So what to do? For that we have the software serial library, and this library provides us different methods or different commands which can be easily used to display the information on the serial monitor. One good thing about this library is that we do not have to include this library. Since we don't include it, we don't need to make an instance as well. The name of the instance which we need to precede every command is always serial with capital S. Now the first thing what we need to do here is we need to establish communication, and for that the method we use is begin dot begin. So the method is begin, serial is the instance name, and the parameter inside serial.begin is baud rate. Baud rate is the rate at which we communicate. It's a communication rate, and that is used as 9600. So we have now established a communication between computer and Arduino, or the serial monitor and Arduino, at baud rate of 9600. Once we do that, we can start using the other methods of software serial library. The generally used methods of this library are print, println. The difference between print and println is, if I print, let's say, my name Manoj, and then if I print my address, then there won't be any gap. So it will be Manoj and then immediately address in the same line. Whereas the println is a new line. So once I print whatever is written in the println command, automatically the cursor will go to the new line and the next printing will happen on the new line. That is the difference between print and println. If I want to print any text, then I need to use double quotes, and inside that I want to write the text. So if I want to print Manoj as a text, as a constant value, then I have to print it inside the double quotes. If I want to print a variable, the value of the variable, then I don't need to have the double quotes. I can directly write the variable name, whatever is the variable name, and the value of that variable at that point in time is displayed. Let's assume that I want to print something on the same line, but I want it to be in tabular form. In that case, I can make use of \t. So that is the information previous to this and next to this, they will be separated by a specific tab distance. So let's say I write here print, let's say I want to write name, then the tab, and after that I want to write age. When I use this, how it will display on the serial monitor is, it will display name and then there will be a tab and age. They will be in the same line, but there will be a distance. If I don't use the tab, then they will be like this, name and immediately after that age. But if I use the \t between them, then they will be separated by a specific tab distance. Of course, these all commands have to be preceded with the library instance, which is in this case always serial. So these are the basic methods of software serial library, and we understand now how to use the software serial library. In our next video, we will make a few programs using the software serial library and display that information on serial monitor.